channel. This is Jeannie. Today I'd like to show you how to quickly crochet this cute plant, mini plant holder. Isn't that cute? Anyways, it's very simple, easy to make. So if you guys are interested in learning how to make this, then continue watching. So for supplies, I just wanted to quickly mention that these are faux succulent plants that I picked up from Walmart. They're in the plant section. And then these little cute buckets I actually found at the Dollar Tree. They were in the party section. These are party favors. It's like a set of 2 for $1. But I just thought that was so adorable. And this is how your project will turn out to be. Very simple, easy, and it just adds a really cute and cozy look to your little plants. And you can put this anywhere, on your windowsill, at your desk. Anyways, I kill plants, even succulents, so this is why I opted for some faux ones. Okay, and so for supplies, I'm just using this, natural looking acrylic yarn, medium worsted weight, and I'm going, it's by the Crochet Dude. I'm using a G hook. It's a 4.25 millimeter hook. Sorry, it's not focusing. You'll also be needing one of these needles and one of these. It's a stitch marker. Okay, let's begin. We're going to start out with a magic circle. Okay, magic circle. Just going to take the tail end right here. Okay. Put your hook under and grab that yarn and pull up. And this is the magic circle. Okay. I'm going to pull it just a little bit. Oops. Kind of messed up, guys. Sorry. Okay, grab that. Okay, so I'm just going to chain 1. And then we're going to be putting 8 single crochet into this magic circle, okay? Like I said, I'll go ahead and pull that a little bit just to make the circle a little bit smaller. And to make a single crochet, go ahead and just pull up, and you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Okay, that's our first single crochet. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now go ahead and take the tail and just pull it to close up that circle. Okay, now you will go ahead and just slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet. And again, I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but we're starting out with the base. Okay, there it is, cute. All right, so to begin the next round, chain 1, and then we're going to be increasing, so we'll be putting 2 single crochet into each stitch, okay? So that will equal to 16 single crochets. So chain 1, and then start with that first stitch right underneath. That's 1. In the same stitch, make a second one. 2. Go to the next stitch. 3, 4. Next stitch. 5, 6, All right, I'll go ahead and meet you at the other end once you get your 16 single crochets, okay? Okay, this is my 16th single crochet. To close this one out, go ahead and just slip stitch to the top of that first single crochet. Okay, that's the end of round 2. Round 3, we are going to do another row of increases. So we're going to chain 1. We're putting 1 single crochet into this first stitch right underneath, and then going to the next stitch, we're putting 2 single crochet. Okay, and then the next stitch is 1 single crochet. Next stitch is 2. So we're going to be alternating between stitches, putting 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And by the time you get to this other side, you'll have a total of 24 single crochets, okay? So that was 2. So then my next stitch will be 1 single crochet and then 2. Continue around and I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, this is my 24th single crochet, and of course that last stitch had 2 single crochets in there because I did start off with 1. So yeah, so now we just slip stitch to the top of that first single crochet and done with round 3. Okay, so this is the base of your mini plant holder. So now row 4, we're going to go ahead and chain 1, and we're going to be making single crochets into the back loops of each of these. Okay, so there will be 24 back loop only single crochets. So back loop. Normally we would make the stitches in each of these the V's right here, but we're only going to do it in the back. Okay, so back loop. And the reason why we do that is so that it will fold up this way. You see that? Alright, 24 single crochets, back loop only, okay? And I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, 24 single crochet, and now to begin the next, I'm going to make a single crochet into the first single crochet. Okay, so now I'm going to use my stitch marker and mark where I made this first single crochet. Okay, so we're going to be continuing this around and not slip stitching anywhere. Just continue on with our single crochets. And the reason why we put that stitch marker there is so that you know this is where row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is row 5, and then you're going to continue on until you reach row 9. Okay, we're towards the beginning here. That's the last stitch of this row, and then I'm going to remove the stitch marker and make my single crochet here, and then re-add my stitch marker. Okay, just so we know. Okay, then this is the beginning of the next row. It's increasing it right now. And as you can see, it's, you know, forming the pot. Isn't that cute? Basically, I'm going to continue this around until I reach row 9, and then I'll, you know, try to fit it into here. I know because I've already done the measurement, but it will reach to the edge of this little mini pot. I'm going to continue around and show you at the end results and how to finish the project off. Okay, I'm towards the end of my final row. Just a few more single crochet stitches here. Okay, so here it is. Here's my last stitch marker here. And right there, I'm going to just slip stitch and stop it there. Okay, let me grab my scissors. Forgot my other scissors, so I'll use what I have. And just tie off here. And we are done. And when I say 9 rows, it's 9 rows of single crochet starting from here, okay? So I apologize. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that fits it perfectly. I'm going to just finish this off real quick. I'm gonna weave in all my tails. These will definitely fit those terracotta mini planters as well. It's the same size. But here's the finished product, guys. Very cute, right? Now I'm going to take this and fit it in. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh gosh, how cute is this? Alright, this is the finished project. I'm going to show you guys at a different angle. Okay guys, here it is. Isn't that adorable? There's so many and so cute, and this little cozy definitely adds a homey touch to it. Very nice. Alright guys, this is it. Let me know if you guys enjoy this project. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you and have a blessed day.